Intel is making a bold move that could reshape how we think about personal computers and artificial intelligence. The company is betting big on-device AI and U.S.-based manufacturing to power the next generation of PCs. Let's explore what Intel is doing, why it matters, and how it could transform the way you and your business work in the years ahead. For years, artificial intelligence has mostly lived in the cloud. Massive data centers run by companies like NVIDIA, Microsoft, and Google. But Intel believes the future of AI belongs closer to home, on your device. Their latest processors are designed to handle AI workloads locally. That means your computer will soon be able to process AI tasks, like real-time transcription, image enhancement, and predictive analytics, without sending data to remote servers. And this shift isn't just about faster performance, it's about privacy, efficiency, and control. When AI runs locally, your data stays on your device, a major advantage for anyone handling sensitive information or customer data. Intel is also investing billions of dollars into building new semiconductor fabrication plants, known as fabs, right here in the United States. Through the CHIPS and Science Act, Intel is expanding its presence in states like Arizona and Ohio with the goal of restoring America's leadership in advanced chip making. These facilities will produce processors built specifically for AI acceleration, the engines that will drive tomorrow's computers. And here's what's interesting. Intel plans to make these fabs available to other companies as well. That means more competition, more innovation, and less dependency on overseas manufacturing. It's a strategic move for both Intel and the broader U.S. tech ecosystem. Intel calls this the AI PC era. It's the next step in personal computing, where your computer doesn't just run applications, it thinks with you. Laptops are already shipping with dedicated neural processing units, or NPUs, that handle AI functions natively. That means your device can blur your background on a video call, summarize documents, or enhance images, all without draining your CPU or battery. It's a powerful step forward in how we interact with technology every day. For entrepreneurs and small business owners, this shift could be transformative. AI PCs offer faster workflows, offline capabilities, and greater data protection, all built into the hardware. This isn't just about buying a faster computer, it's about redefining productivity. AI-driven systems can automate repetitive tasks, generate ideas, and help you focus on higher-value work. From marketing automation to content creation, the tools of tomorrow are becoming deeply integrated into the devices we use today. Let's talk about why adopting an AI-powered computer could give your business a major edge. AI PCs can perform creative, analytical, and administrative tasks almost instantly. Imagine having a built-in assistant that drafts reports, writes blog posts, edits videos, or analyzes sales data without the need for constant internet access. That's the kind of productivity boost that can save hours every week. Traditional AI tools depend on cloud access. But on-device AI runs even when you're offline. That means you can edit images, transcribe audio, or run predictive analytics anywhere, whether you're at home, traveling, or presenting to clients. Your data stays on your computer, not in someone else's server. That's a huge win for protecting confidential information, client data, and proprietary content. Privacy is no longer just a software issue, it's built directly into your hardware. AI computers can help reduce dependency on expensive cloud subscriptions. Once you invest in the hardware, you own the performance, without paying ongoing data center costs. For small businesses, that means lower overhead and higher long-term efficiency. Intel's bet on-device AI and domestic chip manufacturing is more than a technological evolution. It's a strategic step toward redefining how businesses and individuals use computing power. AI is no longer a distant cloud-based service. It's becoming an integral part of your personal computer, always available, always secure, and always learning with you. If you want to stay ahead in today's fast-moving digital world, upgrading to an AI computer could be the smartest decision you make this year. Intel's vision for the AI PC era is clear. Smarter devices, made in America, built for the future of work. The question is, are you ready to take advantage of it? Stay ahead of the curve and keep your business future ready with the power of AI computing.